Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel, that is justatclick.com, and today we are going to discuss about HP EliteBook 2170 out here. Yes, talking about this variant 2170. When we talk about EliteBook series, then we know that this variant out here is definitely with the Intel vPro technology. Along with that, it has got embedded security chip system of TPM 1.2 security chip system out there. Now let us talk about the gadget out here. Let us talk about specifically about this gadget. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it works with Intel Core i5 third generation. Yes, Intel Core i5 third generation is the one working out here. Along with that, you get to see a chip system of Mobile Intel Express. Yes, Mobile Intel Express chip system could be seen out on this variant again, offering you a base speed of 1.8 gigahertz and max speed of 2.8 gigahertz. This variant has got some amazing specifications with it. Dual core gadget is offering you dual core gadget or the dual core system out here, along with hyper threading technology and Intel Boost Turbo technology too. So Intel Turbo Boost technology, hyper threading technology could also be seen in this variant. Now, when we are talking about this variant, let us talk about the size, storage, everything out there. Talking about the storage, cache memory की बात करें, if we talk about the cache, then it has got L3 type cache memory of install size 3 MB. Yes, 3 MB is the install size offered out by this variant. Along with that, you get to see a RAM of installed RAM 4 GB. So installed RAM of 4 GB could be seen out here, along with a memory speed of 1600 megahertz. So 1600 megahertz is the memory speed offered out by this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers a great range of specifications because the RAM type offered out here is DDR3 RAM type. Along with that, it offers you a good interface and it offers you a maximum support size because 4 GB is not sufficient out here, so you get to have a 16 GB maximum support size out there. So it is offering the overall 16 GB RAM storage out here with the same type, that is DDR3 with 1600 megahertz speed. Now, when we are talking about the storage, then RAM alone does not define the storage. Storage is actually defined by hard drive also. So talking about the hard drive, we can say that it offers you HDD type hard drive with a space or the capacity of 3200 or 320 GB. Yes, it offers you 320 GB storage out there. 320 GB is not a less storage. Yes, 320 GB is not at a less storage out here. And if it's in the DD form, yes, it is in the form of HDD, then it offers you a spindle speed of 7200 RPM. So offering you a speed of 7200 RPM is really amazing out here. We know that HP usually designs its gadget depending upon the environmental factors so that it can provide optimum results under the harsh conditions also. Now talking about these harsh conditions and everything, we can say that the gadget out here offers you LED screening. Yes, LED display is being offered out on this gadget. Along with that, you get to see that the gadget out here offers you backlight technology as well as HD resolution and an anti-glance technology. So LED backlight HD resolution with an anti-glance is being offered in the display. But what about the size? Screen. Talking about the screen size, it offers you 29.46 centimeters screen. So 29.4 centimeter or 29.5 actually centimeter is really a good variant out here. Now talking about this resolution, display, everything out here, we've talked about the entire circle. What about the audio and video quality? Because audio and video plays an important role. Talking about the audio and video quality, we can say that it offers you Intel HD Graphics 4000. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 4000 is being used out here. Apart from that, you get to have a good resolution with the capturing capacity of 1280 into 720 with the integrated webcam introduced in it. Along with the stereo speakers and microphones are there, which offers you PRS, premium sound quality. So the sound quality is really good because sound quality plays a very important role in every laptop out here. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then you have got all the connectivities out here, talking about any kind of connectivity, whether it's connectivity with USB 2, USB 3, audio input output connectivity, power jack, SD card reading, multi card reading, flash card reading. Optical drive connectivity is not seen out in this variant. You will not find any optical drive connectivity out here. Apart from that, you will find that it is offering you a good battery life. Yes, talking about the battery life, it offers a great battery life with lithium ion cells. Overall, the gadget is working very well out here. Yes, the gadget works very well. Now let us talk about the pricing, because after these specifications, pricing plays an important role. And for pricing, we are at just@click.com. Yes, the site just at click.com offers a great range of specifications, yes, as well as amazing gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Along with that, it offers you a option that is customizability option. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. So customizability option is also available out here. You can easily customize your gadgets according to that. Now talking about these customizability and everything, let us search this icon or this gadget out here in the search bar, because this helps us to know the gadget in a very limited format. So this is the result out here offered by bag free condition and on the small description, and there is a condition written as refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, or talking about the refurbished word itself, it means creating something new like. And when we talk about brand new and refurbished, then we can say they both are similar like products. Actually, brand new products are extension of refurbished. Yes, when we talk about refurbished, then brand new like products or the similar products like that, or we can say every brand new product becomes refurbished, or refurbished products are once brand new products are actually the same thing. Now, when we are talking about brand new products and refurbished products, they have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, because refurbished products are a pre-owned gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Now, how does it work? Like, how are the pre-owned gadgets, brand new like pre-owned gadgets working? When we talk about that, then it follows a small pathway that is base is the company out here. When we talk about the base is the company always which provides you the gadget for the first time. Now talking about the gadgets, you get to have the gadget out here, as well as you get to see that the gadget has been brought up in the market. Now this has been brought up in the market. Now users are buying these gadgets and all. Now when you get to see that the gadget is for the first time released out in the market, and first time you are having that gadget, it is known as brand new product. Yes, this is known as brand new product then. Now, when we are talking about these gadgets, this terminates the brand new chain. And the brand new products are actually nothing else but we can say new gadgets out there for the first time owned by any user. But what happens after this? Now you have owned that gadget. Now you want to resell it. You don't want to use it anymore. You want some other person to have it, or you want to have a new gadget again. So you want to resell that gadget. And this comes under the category of refurbished. Yes. Now what is this refurbished pathway out here? Every brand new gadget, when owned by any user like us, and after that it is again sold out to another user, it is termed as refurbished or pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget is brought up to a marketplace where it is being resold, where you are going to sell this off. After that, you get to see that this gadget has been brought up in the market. You are going to have this. It is written as a product condition that is refurbished. Now, it will not be a brand new gadget because it has already been used once. Yes, it has already been used once. It has already been into the market once. It has already been a pre-owned gadget. So it is not a brand new gadget now. It is a refurbished gadget. Now, when we are talking about this ending of refurbished, how the user buys it, we can say that refurbished is extension of brand new. Along with that, you get to see that brand new and refurbished has a major difference in the testing sites. Now, what are these testing sites? These are nothing else but the testing parameters or the testing sites where every gadget is testified and verified out there. Talking about this, we can say that every gadget in brand new has to be tested on various different sites, whereas refurbished gadgets are tested and verified on a same or a single site out there. Yes, they are tested, verified, approved on the same site where you are going to sell your gadget, or where that gadget is going to be resold again. Now let us talk about the testing parameters. Let us talk what are the parameters included in the testing of it. Testing parameters generally include the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, there are two different parameters, external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say these are actually the parameters which we see directly through our eyes, which can be externally seen. You do not require any software, any tool out there, like display, screen size, buttons out there, button intactness out there. Talking about the functionality of each button, touchpad, connectors, USB connectors, power jack or input output jacks out there, camera, working of camera, scratches, or the battery, charging capacity, charger. So these kind of things which do not require any component or any software out here. Whereas talking about internal components, you require specialized software, high equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parameters. Yes, internal parameters like chip system, processor, speed, RAM, storage speed out there, drive, power connectors, charging out there, graphics, resolution, display type. So these kind of things, internal connections out there. So these kind of things has to be tested with specialized software, specialized tools, everything out there. Now, when we are talking about these parameters, now parameters are absolutely same. Design is same, functionality is same, everything is same. So why are we preferring, or we are recommending, or we suggest to have a refurbished product once? Because it offers you few benefits. Why? First benefit, it is offering you a pocket friendly rate. Talking about rating, brand new products offers you actually high pricing. Yes, they are quite expensive. When we talk about brand new products, they are quite expensive out here, whereas refurbished products are actually less expensive, or we can say pocketable out here. Talking about these pocketable rates and high pricing, the difference in the pricing causes a huge amount of difference. So this could be said as a savings. So you can have a huge saving if you try out any refurbished products. But when we are talking about brand new and refurbished, the warranty period in brand new products are is actually 1 year. Yes, 1 year is the brand new warranty period. Along with that, you get to see exchange policy also. But if you're buying any pre-owned gadget from any place out there or directly from a person, you do not get any warranty period, because there is no condition written out here. But if you have a condition written as product type, refurbished or certified refurbished, then it is said as to have a warranty period of 6 months as well as 7 day exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. But have you ever thought what would happen if the product fails in any testing? If it fails in any testing out there, it has to be renewed, it has to be manufactured, renewed, or replaced, that part out there from the original part issued by the company. Yes, so it is absolutely safe. It is not using any false part, because it is offering you absolutely newly like gadget. Now we can try out these refurbished products, and for refurbished products, this site we were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com. This site offers you amazing refurbished products. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you amazing refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished laptops, there you can have a large selection out there. Yes, you get to have a large selection. Along with that, you get to have great deals because rates out there are very much reasonable. Along with that, you can save a huge amount of savings. Yes, savings because brand new and refurbished products have a difference in their pricing. Along with that, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have that 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, COD and free shipping, money back guarantee, online support system. Apart from that, you get to have a customizability option at the site just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Now talking about customizability, you can customize your gadgets like the RAM out there, or you can customize the storage out there. So these kind of things will be customized, which have been issued by the company itself. So description has the link. You can check out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. So for best pricing, visit out the website. Till then, take care.